In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large videos on Telegram. If you've ever tried to share a long clip only to find it looks blurry or won't send, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and make sure your video reaches the recipient in the highest possible quality. Whether it fits within Telegram's size limits or needs a cloud link, start by opening the Telegram chat where you want to send the video. Look for the paperclip or attachment icon and tap it to open your sending options. Here is the key move instead of choosing gallery or photos. Select File. Picking File tells Telegram to send your video without compressing it, so the original resolution, frame rate, and audio quality are preserved. After you select File, browse your device's storage to find the video, tap it, and you'll see it queued up for sending. You can add a short caption if you want, then send it off. Telegram supports fairly large files this way. Free users can send files up to 2 GB, and premium subscribers can go up to 4 GB in a single file. Keep that in mind when choosing how to share. If your video fits within your account's limit, sending as a file is the cleanest option. It may take a bit longer than a compressed clip, especially on slower connections, so a stable Wi-Fi connection can help. You'll see an upload progress indicator so you can monitor how it's going. If your video is larger than your limit, the best workaround is to use cloud storage. Upload the video to a service you use, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once the upload finishes, generate a shareable link. Most services have an option like Copy Link or Share Link, and you can usually set the permission so anyone with the link can view or download the file. After you've got the link, head back to your Telegram chat and paste it into the message box. Send the link and your recipient can stream or download the original video directly from the cloud. No compression required. A couple of quick pointers as you choose your path. Sending as a file keeps everything inside Telegram and is great for videos under your size limit. Using a cloud link is ideal for very large files. And avoid splitting your video into parts. Either way, you'll preserve the quality your audience expects. That's it. Thanks for watching.